आज खालसा जी फतेह See, this Bani's translating Bani, right? Tum saach te aao mogadamana. Bani's translating Bani. Hey, मूर्ख मना तो साच ते आवो सच ते आवो what's that's right there पण कृपा दृष्टि तन जाहे ने हरे हो that's it that's what it is that's that कृपा दृष्टि when we तुम साच ते आवो that's that कृपा दृष्टि what happens then ताके ताप तन कम है हरे हो and it's the man straight Guru Sahib is telling the man hey bhai apne man nu samjhao mogadam mana tu murkha tu hi jabla Yeah, hukum bujya ta ekko jane. What's that hukum? Here's the hukum. All here in front of us. Ek baar din tumhe sambara. आखण वेखण सब साहिब ते होए बोला है that's amazing can we do a little practice like a quick little 2-minute practice before we get started आखण वेखण सब साहिब ते होए let's focus in let's close our eyes just a couple minutes and start your simran start your mantra listen to your mantra listen to your mantra internally listen to your mantra the man's going out bring it back now keep doing your mantra आखणो वेखणो सब साहिब ते होए आखणो that mantra that you're listening to that mantra is that being spoken inside you right now ये भी साहिब ते होए. That's the creator doing that mantra. Feel that. This breath you're taking right now, going in and out, wherever your breath is, wherever your sigh is, like that's not even you breathing. Feel that. Sahib de hoye. This is from Sahib too. You're listening, but you're not listening. This ain't you listening. You're listening to your shabd. That's not you listening. Stay zoned. Man's running, bring it back. In a little bit, I'm going to ask you to open your eyes. When you open your eyes, stay zoned. Stay zoned in your mantra. Go ahead, open your eyes. If you're looking at Vani, wherever you are, but realize this ain't you looking either. It's not you looking. Kripa dresate tanajahine hariho. Take tap. What is that tap? That tap that we think that we're looking. Tanakamahe hariho. Maharaj takes us away in an instant. What's these riddhiya, siddhiya? The riddhiya and the siddhiya for a Sikh, the riddhiya and the siddhiya are that this realization that is not us. This realization that it's not us looking, it's not us listening. My hand doesn't even move without your order. My eye doesn't even flicker without your order. I can't even take this next breath without your order. That's our riddhiya, siddhiya. That's our luxuries. There's no enemy present at that place because it's only you. Because it's only you. Because I kept saying you, I kept saying you, I kept saying you. And within that practice of saying you, within that practice of falling in love, some fell in love and they felt that. Look, we'll go on to the translation. Maharaj blessed Dasi with an amazing farna this week. I was examining my emotions and really looking at why I'm stuck in thoughts sometimes. But then Guru Sahib Ji showed that even that is a kripa dresate. Being stuck in thought is kripa dresate because that helps with growth. And then how are we diseased? Diseased of the mind, the body, and the world. क्योंकि असी इस दुनिया विच दिल रख के गुरु साहिब जी दी देन भुल जांदे हां. We attach our dil to the dunya, and but we're not for this dunya. But do Gurmukhs never face pain, disease? Then they do. Gurmukhs, yeah, they do, but they get to such a point that both pain and happiness are the same to them. They see it as the same thing. Sukh, dukh, jana, samdrishtita. Sam means equal. Nanaka papa punna nahi le pap. There's no pop and there's no pon in them because they see sukh and dukh as one. They jana nanak lekha samjha tam raja karego jo fa kareo sagalo lekha. What can the Tan Maharaja do when your lekha is ripped up? But said, why would I leave such a door that after when I come and I go, no one's asking my account? There's no account for these guys. There's no account for you guys. You guys, when you guys do this, you guys don't come into accounts. You guys are beyond. I don't even know how to describe, man, what you guys are. You guys are beyond power, man. You guys give power to other people, man. Then what about power? In a way, Guru Sahib Ji already blessed us with so much power. The seva, the langar, the chardi kala, the khalsa is never ending. Have you heard of langar running out? Baba Jawar Singh Ji told Dasi a story that a langar sahib Nanded, some resources, food, milk finished. Right then trucks full of food came. No one knew who the people were or where the food came from. That is the power of the Khalsa, it is never ending. Then what does death mean? Not that which we fear, physical death. Gursikhs like Tan Tan Baba Deep Singh Ji, once again, no lekha. Pai Singh Ji, Mata Pa Kaur Ji, no lekha. Mata Gujar Kaur Ji, Baba Banda Singh Bahadur Ji, infinite Gursikhs attained true death. They remembered you. Ek baar jantu main samvara. Ek chit hoke with full concentration. Kept going. It's that, they say, some people might say this, it's that repetition, it's that practice. It becomes, for some it might become boring, and then, it's that consistent practice, and it's not about wavering. And if you fall off that practice, jumping back on and not stopping. And talking to myself right now, I'm not even talking to you guys, but it's that consistency. It's that consistency that takes us there. That's and obviously this is Maharaj Dat, and you guys have that Dat. Maharaj is giving you guys now, and it's about that uddam karende jiyo, to live in that uddam, live in that practice, live in that trying. So they remember ek baar jin tum aswara kal faste tahe obara, giving their head to Guru Sahib. You imagine that. When I think of all this, Guru Sahib Ji, the wish is just to do even more bhakti. Yeah, man. That is one thing I am really slacking on, the abhyas. I know I can do all the talking. I can listen. There's a lot of fruit to even listen, but not until I implement it. Kadiya sabado sachi takasal. To truly learn to be within this world, but be above it. Logan is mera thata baga. Yeah, I deal with everyone. I deal with everyone, but at the same time, the only thing that belongs in my heart, the only thing we should allow in our heart is Shabad. Tika, we got families. I got a son, Mara Kirpa, blessed with a son, with a wife, with parents, with this body, with everything. We have everything. By the end of the day, the only thing that belongs in the heart is a Shabad. Sorry to say, I'm not trying to hurt anyone or offend anyone, but the truth is the only thing that belongs inside is the Shabad. Yeah, you have duties, you gotta do everything while we live in this, but don't put anything inside to a depth where only Shabad belongs, where only your love belongs. To be in that avastha prem, the artha pare main, put aside the ego, okay, prem pare main. Jinnar naam te haro kaham Maharaj Ji, to be within that naam forever. Kur prasade ho peram pe Allah khasam ka japa veta de. This bata, this bowl of peram pe Allah khasam ka. This is the gift of God, the Creator. Japa veta de. It's another one. Maharaj Ji, those that Aap look at with your grace become free of disease of mind and body, and such a power that in just one glance of you, by you or your bhagats, you bless them with all types of powers and don't even let their enemies come near them. Thus, you can't even imagine how these Gurmukhs, having all that you have blessed, are still nitaniya rahare nimaniya. So tan means power. having power, but remaining nimani and remaining humble. Those that remember Abji with an ekagar man just once, they are liberated from death and become a Juni, just like Abji. Those that say your Naam don't have to face poverty, the poverty of not having your Amrit Ras Gurmani Ji in every single one of their room. Yeah, man. Khav hai kharch hai, rale mile pai, tot and ave vad do jai. Yeah, that's beautiful. Like khav hai kharch hai, rale mile pai, tot and ave vad do jai. When I look at this, this is what I get reminded of. Like you're eating it and you're enjoying it, and we're all doing it together. This is that Naam. You're utilizing Naam. You're enjoying it. You're tasting it. And this doesn't stop, this doesn't decrease. This just increases. The high that these guys feel. He goes to me, he goes, when I asked him, like, how is, he got Naam? He goes, when I, in 2.5 months when he went to the Jatha, he goes, I got Naam Ras. I go, how was it? Tell me, explain to me, how was that? What was that taste? And he's like, and he tried to explain. He goes, it's like, couldn't explain. But he goes, say if I give like I think he said a couple, a long time ago, I don't remember fully, but he said a couple spoons of milk and a little bit of water, and you mix that little sweetness, and then, and he always does this. Like, you go start reading Bani Bayam, and he's like, he starts swallowing, he's drinking Namras, and I'm like, how is it now? Like, how is it now? And then he's like, yo, what do you want me to say? He goes, I can't say how it is now. I just can't describe this. Yeah. Johar Singh, yeah, these guys enjoy in a different way. Das can even ave kharcheral tod in ave, yeah, that's what we're talking about. Tod in ave vada do jai. Like, and I see Pagji's transition even now. Like, I look at him now and I think he's just like, after his strokes and all that's happened to him, he's just gone to some next levels. Like, he's like, he doesn't even talk to people anymore. He's like, on the phone, pick up the phone for a little bit, like and then he just tells them what he just like a quick, like 10-second bang, gone. And he's back zoned. He's always been zoned, but just that thought and what do jai, these guys just increase and increase and increase. And yeah, their enemies and sins of the world stay far away from them, and Abji Kirpa, Rupi hand on their head at all times. Thus can't even begin to imagine how Kirpalu, Dealu, Parapkari Abji are. Deva Pahanatari. You bless so much when someone just remembers Abji once, just like you gave Mukti to Ajamal and Kanaka. Maharaj, Agam Agochara Lakh Apara Chinta Karho Hamari. Even though seva thodi mangana bahota, meaning I don't do much seva, but I ask for a lot. Dasi still stands at Abji's dar and begs Abji to please bless Dasi with that ekagarta just for a moment as well. And I think it's a balance, and going back to that whole anxiety piece and all that kind of stuff. Working out and releasing some of that energy and for everything, not just anxiety. I think it helps with a lot of things, being around nature, having that fresh air, working out, taking care of your body, and then sitting and meditating. I worked out this morning. I go to Mississauga and I work out there usually. I went in the morning again, and I worked out really hard today. And just like purely exhausted myself. And there's a park, is an outdoor place. So I went and I just sat there before I decided to go back home. And it was beautiful. I was listening to Kirtan. And I was like, yeah, it was so beautiful, because the mana didn't have an opportunity at that time to run because it was so tired. The mana was exhausted. The physical body was exhausted. The mana was, and then you put that in Shah with it, and then it just wants to relax. And that's a beautiful place for it to relax. So I think when it comes to things of that nature, I think working out is huge. So this week, I just feel like these words just describe what our consciousness can contain when it is connected to Guru Sahib Ji and when it is not. I hear Ek Baar Jantu Main Sambhara, and I feel like we don't even know how powerful this connection is and how it works. Yeah, I swear we don't know that when we feel disconnected, we really cannot be, not after reaching you the first time, not after reaching you the first time. You never let go of us again. Even though in our confusion, we can feel like we are floating in scary, uncharted waters. Yeah, this love you have for us is beyond comprehension, and the thirst for it after one taste is the only thing that is real. You never let go of us again. So yeah, you go to Maharaj Dwar once, I mean, Maharaj got you, right? And that pain, this is, some people feel ketia dukh, pukh, sadamar, pe daate terika, datar, like even this is your blessing, the dok, the pok, the getting beat, getting hurt, it's a blessing. It's all a blessing. Maharaj only gives it to like, if that's happening in our life, that's meant to take us from a certain place and put us in a different mindset so we can reach a certain place. So, right? If you take dok and you turn that around and you take that as sok. That's a Sikhi concept. That's a Chardi Kala concept, right? That's a path. That's one of the tattats of Sikhi. To Tiga, all these doks come, but drink them like sok and move on, and handle them like the lions and all that you guys are. Handle them at that level. Yeah, man. Khadgaket. Khadgaket ji, Khadgaket. Darid dost dokhte raha. Khadgaket mein sarane tihari. All right, let's get to writing. So Khadgaket, talwar de nishan wale. Let's move some of this over. So Khadg means talwar. Ket means nishan. मैं दासनदास शरण शरण तिहारी आप जी दी. Khadgaket, once again, this is a term for Vaheguru Ji. We'll say symbolic Kirpan Vaheguru Ji. You can say flag as well if you want to. Khadgaket, me. I guess we could use I as well. Sarane, sanctuary. Tihari, years. आप हाथ दा लेहो बारी. आप जी. Hath is hath. That is de ke. Leho is lavo. Ubari is bacha lavo, tar lavo. Bacha or tar. Aap, you, hath, and that give. Aap hath that leho, take. Ubari is to save. Ubari is salvation. Ubari is the same, like, you know, we've done this a couple of times. Remember, you know, you take a ball, you bounce it down, and then ubbar janda tanu ubbar daya pops back up, right? That's ubbarna, ubari. But in this context, it means save, means salvation. So khadga ke main saran te hari Vaheguru ji, I have come to your sanctuary. I've seen people do this arth as refuge. I've come to your refuge, or yeah, sanctuary. तलवार दे निशान वाले वाहिगुरु महाराज जी दासनदास साहब जी दी शान आया है दासनदास साहब जी शान है शान पे आया So yeah, I'm just gonna drink some. So I made like I got a Vitamix and I put like mint in there, like putana in there, and I blended it, and then I put like lemon and pani, and then I added that, and it like infused the color versus just putting putana out there. I thought it was something that was pretty cool. Tastes really good. आप हाथ दा लेहो बारी. So give me your hand and support and save me. महाराज मैनू अपना हाथ दे के बचा लवो. हे खड़ग केत जी मैनू बचा लवो, अपना हाथ दे के बचा लवो. दास आप जी दी शान पे आया. Give me your hand and save me, Maharaj. Maharaj, I've come to your sanctuary. And what's that sanctuary? That's going to look different for all of us at different times in our life. How have we come to Maharaj's Shan? That's changing as we go through life, as we deal with our karmas, I guess. It's a question. Yeah, you guys should like this. This is what I mean. You know, when you write it down, where are you right now? Like, what is your Shan? How have you come to Maharaj's Shan right now? Talk to Maharaj. Like, dive into these questions and realize where you are and what's going on inside you. And then you got that support. It's not like you don't have support right here. Body. Maharaj, give me a hand and save me. So direct support right there. Sarva, all. Sarva Dharma ho sahai. Sarya. Thor is Jaga. Gaga have a halantene? Anyone know? Jaga. is a jagah. Sarv Thor Mo Dasandas No Ho 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 Sahai 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 Ho Maharaj. Sarv all Thor places Mo me Ho Ho become Sahai support. Sarv all Thor places Mo me Ho Ho become Sahai support. सारियां जगह ते हो सहाय दोस्त दोस्त so very so very dost very dokh is paap te to leho lavo bachai bacha dost enemies dokh sin so if it was dokh then we would say pain. Because it says dokh, we're saying sin. Te from leho take bachai say. Sarvathormo ho sahai. Be my support in all places. Be my support everywhere. सारियां जगह ते महाराज मेरे सहायक बनो. सारियां जगह ते मेरी सहायता करो. सारियां जगह ते मेरे सहायक बनो. Support me in all places. And I'll ask you guys that question now again. Where do you need that support? Where do you need the support right now in your life? What's going on in your life? Or you need support? Write it out. Have a conversation. Dosat dokhate leho bachai. Save me from enemies and sins. महाराज जी वैरियां तो दुश्मनां तो ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੁਸ਼ਟ ਬੰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਾਪ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾ ਲਵੋ. कृपा करी हम पर जग माता ग्रंथ करा पूरन सोबराता किल बेख सकल देह को हरता दुष्ट दोख यन को क्षय करता. So kripa is kripa. Kari is kiti. hum, dasan das. Par is utte. Jag is jagat. Mata is mata. Gurdev mata, Gurdev pita. Kripa is kirpa. I think we can start writing kirpa in English now, right? What do you guys think? Sukhjot Kaur, good to go. Okay, kripa kari did hum me par upon jag world mata mother. Yeah, I didn't know this. So Jodh Kaur and I were talking, and she said that Bhai Sahib, Sukhjot Kaur, help me out. I know that just slipped my mind. It totally slipped my mind. I listen to them all the time. Hold on, I'm gonna tell you right now. I listen to them all the time. Jagraj Singh, how did that happen? Yeah, Bhai Sahib Jagraj Singh. So when he used to, talk about translations and arth and all that kind of stuff, he would, for the first few times, he would do them in English, but then he would eventually turn around and start doing it in Gurumukhi, because that's how people are going to grow, and that's how people are going to learn. And so Sukhjot Kaur pointed that out, and I was like, okay, you know what, that's a smart idea. Maybe we should start doing that too. So yeah, and Jagraj Singh ji, amazing what he did. Beautiful. Okay, Granth Kara Puran Sobarata. Granth. So leave that as Granth. Kara. Kite. Puran. Pure. Soba. Shobha. Rata. Rat. Rata could be Rangya too. Kavan baniri teri lali. Granth, text. So I didn't know what to write for Granth. I didn't want to say book. So we wrote text. We said Gurbani ji, the spiritual text. Kara, did. Puran, completed. Sob, auspicious. Rata, night. Rata also imbued. So Kripa Kari Hum Par Jag Mata. The mother of the world did Kirpa upon me. So Jagat Mata ne mere utte Kirpa kiti. Now, this is so beautiful. Guru Sahib Ji calling Vaheguru Mata. Mata Ji. Yeah, we can do that, people. It doesn't have to be only masculine, or Maharaj is not, you guys know this, man. I don't have to talk about this. There's no masculine, there's no feminine, there's none of that, man. Maharaj is a sad pun. Maharaj gave birth to masculinity and femininity, and people started thinking this and that. But here Guru Gobind Singh Ji says, Kripa Kari Hum Par Jag Mata. Meri Mata ne, my mother did grace upon me. Meri Mata ne mere te Kripa kiti. My mother did Kripa upon me. So now we're kind of switching from, hey, my mother, please do kirpa upon me, to no, like we got, got this, like kirpa ho gayi, the kirpa is there, right? So Guru Sahib is saying, kripa kari hum par jag mata. So the mother of the world, my Mata ji, Vaheguru ji, did kirpa upon me. Granth kara puran sobarata. This Granth was completed on this auspicious night. This Granth kara puran. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਸ਼ੁਭ ਰਾਤ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਸੰਪੂਰਨ ਹੋਏ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ, ਮੇਰੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕੀਤੀ. My mother blessed me that on this auspicious night this Granth was ਸੰਪੂਰਨ. This Granth was completed. ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ. All right, I'll give you, so we'll throw out we'll do one more arth of this. Granth kara puran sobrata. So this great Granth, this virtue imbued Granth, this virtue imbued text was completed on this auspicious night. So ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਗੁਣਾ ਭਰਿਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ, ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਗੁਣਾ ਭਰੇ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ, ਇਹ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਤਾਂ ਪੂਰਨ ਹੋਏ ਆ. ਉਹ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਰਾਤ ਸੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੂਰਨ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਗੁਣਾਂ ਦੇ ਭਰੇ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਆ. Kilbek. Kilbek just means papa, right? But just to be a little bit technical if you guys want. Kil nischay karke. Bek means poison, right? Bek means zahar. But what does this mean? Nischay karke zahar, like, you know, for sure, like that poisonous stuff. So it really means pop. Sakal, sare, deh, sarir, ko, nu, harta, nas, karan wale. Kilbek. Can we go pop here too? Yeah, right. Sakal, all, deh, body, ko, to, harta, destroyer. Kilbek, pap, sakal, all, deh, sarir, body, ko, nu, harta, destroyer, नाश करने वाले. दुष्ट, दुष्टाणु. दोखियान, दुख देने वाले. दोखियान, दुख देने वाले. को, नु, छ, नास. करता कारण वाले दुष्ट enemies दोखियन the ones that give pain दुख देन वाले the ones that give दुख. Yeah, making progress today. Dok. That's 3 words, I think. Dokian, the ones that give dok. Go. To. Cha. Destroy. Karta. Doer. So this is beautiful stuff. Stuff just changed. Maharaj just changed it up. Like Kripa kari ham par jag mata, my mother did kripa upon me. Granth kara puran sabrata, this granth, this virtue imbued granthe shobhgone aparya granthe shobharanu sampuran hoine on this beautiful night, auspicious night it was completed. Kelabekh sakala deh ko harta, this granth, this bani is the destroyer of all sin. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਆ ਇਹ ਕਿਲਵੇਖ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਪ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਆ ਕਿਲਵੇਖ ਸਕਲ ਦੇਹ ਸੋ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਾਪ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਾਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਆ ਕਿਲਵੇਖ ਸਕਲ ਦੇਹ ਕੋ ਹਰਤਾ so this granth is a destroyer of all sins you say within the body or all sins दुष्ट दोख जन को क्षय करता this Bani is a destroyer of enemies or we can say the pain giving enemies the ones that give pain ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਦੁਸ਼ਟਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਲੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ you can say they're the same thing ਦੁਸ਼ਟ ਦੋਖਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਸ਼ਟਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੈ ਬਾਣੀ ਸੋ ਇਹ ਬਾਣੀ ਦਾ ਫਲ ਆ this is what happens if you get into this body. It's a destroyer of sins. It's a destroyer of enemies. खड़ग केत मैं शरण तिहारियां को हाथ द ले हो उबारी सर्व ठौर मोह हो सहाय दुष्ट दोख ते ले हो बचाए कृपा करी कीती did कृपा करी हम पर जग माता my mother did कृपा upon me ग्रंथ करा पूर्ण सोबराता किलबेक सकल देह को हरता and then what's the fall of this what does this body entail what's this do ਕਿਲਵੇਖ ਸਕਲ ਦੇਹ ਕੋ ਹਰਤਾ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਿਲਵੇਖ ਨੂੰ ਸਕਲ ਕਿਲਵੇਖ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਔਰ ਜਸਟ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਿਲਵੇਖ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਦੁਸ਼ਟ ਦੋਖੀਆਂ ਕੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਛੈ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਆ is a destroyer ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਾਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੈ ਬਾਣੀ right we'll get to our singing portion. Beautiful morning. Asitoj Khadgaket. Beautiful Maharaj, right? Same thing. Referring to Vaheguru. Khadgaket. So once again, guys, let's focus on the translations first. And then what was it weird? This is 401 in English, and this is in Gurmukhi. I do not know. That after. All right, so yeah, let's focus on the translations. We'll go through this and see what this means to you. Once again, guys, please write what it means to you. It's super healing. It's a lot of growth that you guys can just in your personal lives get out of this, and then we will focus on the ton and try to go a bit internal. Amrit Kaur, ready? खड़ग केत मैं शरण तिहारी आप हाथ दले हो उबारी
खड़ग केत मैं शरण तिहारी आप हाथ दले हो उबारी
सर्ब ठौर मोह सहाई दोसट दोख तेले हो बचाई
सर्ब ठौर मोह सहाई दोसट दोख तेले हो बचाई
कृपा करी हम पर जग माता ग्रंथ करा पूरन सुबराता
कृपा करी हम पर जग माता ग्रंथ करा पूरन सुबराता
किल बिख सकल देह को हरता दोसट दोख जन को छह करता
किल बिख सकल देह को हरता दोसट दोखे यन को छह करता
खड़ग केत में शरण तिहारी आप हाथ दले हो उबारी
खड़ग केत मैं शरण तिहारी आप हाथ दले हो उबारी
सर्व ठौर मोह सहाई दोसट दोख तेले हो बचाई
सर्ब ठौर मोह सहाई दोसट दोख तेले हो बचाई
कृपा करी हम पर जग माता ग्रंथ करा पूरन सुबराता
कृपा करी हम पर जग माता ग्रंथ करा पूरन सुबराता
किल बिख सकल देह को हरता दोसट दोख यन को छह करता
किल बिख सकल देह को हरता दुष्ट दोख यन को छह करता
All right, guys, let's focus on the ton. If you guys doing it internally, listen to your own voices. If you guys doing externally, listen to your own voices. Listen with your ears. Listen with your man. Listen with full concentration. If it runs, bring it back. Like Guru Sahib, Shabda we listened to earlier, bringing it back. Akhana vekhana sab sahib te hoye. So yeah, let's get into that practice a little bit. So let's get focused a little bit. Let's focus on the tone of it and what this does. Chalo, yeah, let's focus on the tone. खड़ग केत में शरण तिहारी आप हाथ दले हो उबारी सर्ब ठौर मोह सहाई दोसट दोख तेले हो बचाई कृपा करी हम पर जग माता ग्रंथ करा पूरन सुबराता किल बिख सकल देह को हरता दोसट दोख यन को छह करता खड़ग केत में शरण तिहारी, आप हाथ दे ले उबारी। सर्व ठौर मोह सहाई, दोसट दोख ते ले हो बचाई। कृपा करी हम पर जग माता, ग्रंथ करा पूरन सुबराता। किल बिख सकल देह को हरता, दोसट दोख जन को छह करता। खड़ग केत में शरण तिहारी, आप हाथ दे ले उबारी। सर्व ठौर मोह सहाई, दोसट दोख ते ले हो बचाई। कृपा करी हम पर जग माता, ग्रंथ करा पूरन सुबराता। किल बिख सकल देह को हरता, दुष्ट दोख जन को छह करता। से किनेहया पेद न जानो मूल साईं जेहया। जिना न विसरै नाम से किनेहया, पेद न जानो मूल साईं जेहया। श्रावणी सुनना गुर नाम, श्रावणी सुनना गुर नाम। वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु। धुन मह ध्यान ध्यान मह जानिया, वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु। मैं न कहयो सब तो हिब खानियो, आप जपाए जपै सो नाओ। आप गावाए सो हर गुण गाओ, वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु। श्रवणी सुनना गुर नाओ, वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु। शब्द गुरु सुरत तुन चेला, मुंह दे लिए दरवाजे। वाहे गुरु 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 वाहे गुरु। नेत्री सतगुरु पेखना, श्रवणी सुनना गुर नाओ। वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु। जो बोलत है मृग मीन पंखेरु, सो बिनो हर जापत है नहीं होर। वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु। रे मन तू पी हो हे दासो, वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु। लूटना है तो लूट ले, वाहे गुरु 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 वाहे गुरु। करहे भगत आत्म के चाय, वाहे गुरु ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 आओ करे वाहिगुरु 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 खड़ग केत में शरण तिहारी आपो हाथ दे ले उबारी सर्ब ठौर मोह सहाई दोसट दोख ते ले हो बचाई कृपा करी कृपा करी कृपा करी हम पर जग माता ग्रंथ करा पूरन सोबराता केल बेख सकल देह को हरता दुष्ट दोख जन को छह करता वाहे गुरु तुन मह ध्यान ध्यान मह जानिया वाहे गुरु वाहिगुरु 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 से किनेहा वाहिगुरु 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 इस मन को कोई खोजो पाई वाहिगुरु 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 तन छूटे मन कहाँ समाई वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु कृपा करी हम पर जग माता वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु उद्दम करन दे जियो तू वाहिगुरु 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 खड़ग केत में शरण तिहारी वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु तुन मह ध्यान वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु सगल द्वार को छाड़ के गहो तुहारो द्वार वाहिगुरु 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 श्रवणी सुनना गुरना वाहिगुरु 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 खड़ग केत में शरण तिहारी सगल द्वार को छाड़ के गहो तुहारो द्वार बाह गहे की लाज अस गोबिंद दास तुहार वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु कृपा करी हम पर जग माता वाहिगुरु 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 तुही 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 वाहिगुरु 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 गोरमुखे रोम हर त्यावे वाहिगुरु 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 सिद्ध सभा कर आसन बैठे संत सभा जयकारो तिसो आगे रहरा से हमारी साचा पर पारो मस्तक काट तरी तिसो आगे तन मनवा गए दे नानक संत मिले सच पाइए सहज पाई जस ले वाहिगुरु 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 एक कड़ी न मिलते वाहिगुरु 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 खड़ग केत में शरण तिहारी आप हाथ दले हो उबारी सरब ठौर मोहो सहाई, दोसट दोख ते ले हो बचाई। कृपा करी हम पर जग माता, ग्रंथ करा पूरन सोबरता। केल बेख सकल देह को हरता, दोसट दोख जन को छह करता। वाहे गुरु नेत्री सतगुरु पेखणा, श्रवणी सुनना गुर नाम, सुनना गुर नाम, सुनना गुर नाम। श्रवणी सुनना गुर नाम। वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु। Guys, just keep writing. Stay zoned and write. अखिल पवन के सिरजनहारे, राजन के राजा तुम हो, राजन के राजा, 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 राजन के राजा तुम हो, राजन के राजा। अखिल पवन के सिरजनहारे, दास जान मोल हो बारे, दास जान, दास जान, दास जान मोल हो बारे। कब बात बेटी चौपई, हमरी करो हाथ दे रक्षा, पूरन होए चित्त की इच्छा, हमरी करो हाथ दे रक्षा, पूरन होए चित्त की इच्छा, पूरन होए चित्त की, पूर्ण होए चित्त की इच्छा। तब चरणन मन रह हमारा, अपना जान करो व्रत पारा, तब चरणन मन रह हमारा, अपना जान करो व्रत पारा, तब चरणन मन रह हमारा, अपना जान करो व्रत पारा। हमरे दुष्ट सब तुम काबू, आप हाथ जय मोरे बचाओ, सुखी बसै मोरो परिवारा, सेवक सिख सब करतारा, और अच्छा निज कर दे करिया, सब बैरन को आज संगरिया, पूरन होए हमारी आशा, और भजन की रहे प्यासा, पूरन 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 होए हमारी आशा, और भजन की रहे प्यासा। वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहे गुरु वाहिगुरु 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 वाहिगुरु। और भजन की रहे प्यासा, और भजन की रहे प्यासा।
ਬਨਸਪਤ ਮੌਲੀ ਚੜਿਆ ਬਸੰਤ ਇਹ ਮਨ ਮੋਲਿਆ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੰਗ ਇਹ ਮਨ ਮੋਲਿਆ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੰਗ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਾਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਾਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਾਨਾ ਇਤ ਮਨ ਮੋਲਿਆ ਪਿਆ ਆਨੰਦ ਇਤ ਮਨ ਮੋਲਿਆ ਪਿਆ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਫਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਾਮ ਗੋਵਿੰਦ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਫਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਾਮ ਗੋਵਿੰਦ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਫਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਾਮ ਗੋਵਿੰਦ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਨਾ ਇੱਕੋ ਇੱਕ ਸਭ ਆਖ ਵਖਾਣੇ ਇੱਕੋ ਇੱਕ ਸਭ ਆਖ ਵਖਾਣੇ ਹੁਕਮ ਬੁਝੇ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਜਾਣੇ ਕਹਿਤ ਨਾਨਕ ਹਉ ਮੈਂ ਕਹੈ ਨਾ ਕੋਇ ਕਹਿਤ ਨਾਨਕ ਹਉ ਮੈਂ ਕਹੈ ਨਾ ਕੋਇ ਆਖਣ ਵੇਖਣ ਸਭ ਸਾਗਿਬ ਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਆਖਣ ਵੇਖਣ ਸਭ ਸਾਗਿਬ ਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਾਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਾਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਾਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਾਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਦ ਮਾਨਾ ਬਨਸਪਤ ਮੌਲੀ ਚੜਿਆ ਬਸੰਤ ਬਨਸਪਤ ਮੌਲੀ ਚੜਿਆ ਬਸੰਤ ਇਹ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੰਗ ਇਹ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੰਗ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਬਨਸਪਤ ਮੌਲੀ ਚੜਿਆ ਬਸੰਤ ਬਨਸਪਤ ਮੌਲੀ ਚੜਿਆ ਬਸੰਤ ਇਹ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੰਗ ਇਹ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸੰਗ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਇਤ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਪਿਆ ਆਨੰਦ ਇਤ ਮਨ ਇਤ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਪਿਆ ਭਇਆ ਆਨੰਦ ਇਤ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਇਤ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਇਤ ਮਨ ਮੌਲਿਆ ਭਇਆ ਆਨੰਦ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਫਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਾਮ ਗੋਵਿੰਦ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਫਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਾਮ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਫਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਨਾਮ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਧ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਧ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਚ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਮੁਗਧ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਸੁਖ ਪਾਵੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ ਤੁਮ ਸਾਥ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਭਗਤ ਮਨਾ एको एक सब आँख वखाणे कहत नानक हूँ मैं कहे न कोई। कहत नानक हूँ मैं कहे न कोई। आखण वेखण सब सागिब ते होए। आखण वेखण सब सागिब ते होए। तुम साच ते आवो मुगद माना। तुम साच ते आवो मुगद माना। तुम साच ते आवो मुगद माना। ता सुख पावो मेरे मना। ता सुख पावो मेरे मना। ता सुख पावो मेरे मना। तुम साथ पे आवो मुगद माना। तुम साथ पे आवो मुगद माना। वनस्पत मोरी तने बसंता। वनस्पत मोरी तने बसंता। एह मन मोलिया सतगुर संग। एह मन मोलिया सतगुर संग। तुम साथ ते आवो मुगद माना। तुम साथ ते आवो मुगद माना। तुम साथ पे आवो मुगद माना। तुम साथ पे आवो साथ पे आवो साथ पे आवो मुगद माना। कीनी परिधान जगत धरो। आहरो हरिदेव हरिदेव। ता सुख पावो मेरे मना। तुम साथ ते आवो मुगद माना। तुम साथ ते आवो मुगद माना। वनस्पत मोरी चढ़िया बसंत। वनस्पत मोरी चढ़िया बसंत। एह मन मोलिया सतगुर संग। एह मन मोलिया सतगुर संग। तुम साथ ते आवो मुगद माना। तुम साथ